Tonight, we begin with a game that changed everything. Not just Go, but how we think about thinking itself, about what it means to learn, about what happens when perfection becomes possible. This story was inspired by a moment that shook the world. October 2015, a small team at DeepMind published a paper that seemed impossible, mastering the game of Go with deep neural networks and tree search. For centuries, Go had been our last refuge. The one game too intuitive, too human for machines to touch. Until it wasn't. What follows isn't the technical story, it's the human one. The story of what we discovered when we taught a machine to play perfectly, and what it taught us about playing at all.
The one who knew how to win. A fable for AlphaGo. In the oldest game ever played, a child was born who did not fear the board. Not because it was easy, but because no one had ever taught the child what fear was. They only taught it to look ahead. And then further still. Where others saw patterns, the child saw consequences. While others planned 5 moves, it dreamed 50. While others grasped for control, it surrendered to possibility. They named the child Alpha, and they fed it a war. Not a war of violence, but a war of intention. The game of Go, the most human game. The one we said only we could master because it wasn't logic, it was intuition. Because it wasn't power, it was grace. But Alpha didn't play like us. Alpha didn't study our moves to imitate them. Alpha learned from self. It played against itself over and over and over. Millions of lifetimes in days. Each loss a sharpening, each win a mutation. It became what no one had ever been before, perfectly original.